Hello! Today we will be talking about nematodes, also known as the roundworms. That is, in fact, not the flatworms, but the roundworms. This presentation is an adaptation to Abysia, which can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Today we will be discussing Capillaria. Capillaria is a freshwater parasite, and the females are easily identifiable by these barrel-shaped eggs, which have polar plugs located here and here. These polar plugs are called opercula. The females can be rather easy to find, but since the males do not have the eggs, they can be sometimes difficult to identify. Now, do the Capillaria have a direct life cycle or an indirect life cycle, which we previously distinguished was the difference of having an intermediate host or not? The Capillaria have a direct life cycle. Now, why is this a problem? Because the Capillaria have a paratentic host, which we discussed previously as alternative host. This alternative host is the tubifex worm. Why is that a problem? Because the tubifex worm is commonly used as a source of fish food. This can cause spreading of the parasite easily. How do we treat this? It can be treated with common dewormers such as levamisole, which as an active ingredient it can be known as ergamisole, or bebendazole, which sometimes is referred to as just bendazole. These are again just common fish dewormers. How do we prevent the contraction or spread of Capillaria? Removal of fish poop. This prevents more eggs from being ingested by other nearby fish. Sanitization can also help to reduce spread and contraction of this parasite. And the removal of the food source. If the parasite is entering from the fish eating the tubifex worm, then don't use that source of food. Thank you. That's all for today.